2024 to take a look at here at Unique, especially in classics. Boy, this is a clean one. 1995 Chevrolet Silverado half-ton, extended cab 4x4. Now, first thing I want to tell you about this one, as far as color-wise, the way the lights are in here and how this camera video will filter the color on this truck, it comes off a little more blue in this video than it is. This is a bright teal metallic, paint code number 38, FYI. So it's got a little bit more of a teal or green to it probably than this video is really showing. You can check out the still pictures, and I'll tell you where to look at those in a little bit. I have it filtered so I got it as close as I can to the color of this truck. Again, bright teal metallic. If you want to check it out, it's paint code number 38. Gray interior, cloth buckets. Of course, underneath the hood, 5.7 liter Vortec 350 that is paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. Now take a look at this front bumper, grille, fascia, bug shield added. This truck shows a little over 111,000 miles on it. You would not tell by looking. I'll go around it, point out imperfections if I see some here or there, but when I'm talking minute, I'm talking about like this right here. If you can see a touch up right there's one, maybe a little spot here, but overall for the miles in this truck, you can tell it was well taken care of, pampered miles. There's no doubt about that. Look up and down that passenger side, it is just really free of much of nicks, dings. Clean Carfax, spent pretty much its entire life in Iowa. Confirms miles, no accidents indicated. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you can see this truck from every angle, inside and out, top to bottom. Still pictures are at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. You're going to notice in the pictures where I got a little more of the true bright teal metallic to come out. You'll see what I'm talking about. One of the nice things on this one also, running boards full length with the rock guards. Is going to keep those lower rockers nice and clean and solid. Take a look at this, cab corners, and still has a protective coating. That's what it came from Chevrolet when this truck was produced. Look above them, before and behind the wheel wells, no bubbling. And again, take a look up and down the passenger side of that truck. You can see, again, really pretty much free of much of any dings, nicks, or scratches. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Also a nice Lear fiberglass topper on it. Bed liner in it also, and you can see that in the still pictures. When I start it up, we check out the engine bay. I'll open up the tailgate, and that topper will check in the rear of this. But if you want to see it before we finish this video, you want to go to the still pictures and look, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Let's go down the driver's side, just like we did the passenger side. And again, you can see the reflection, the shine coming off of that paint. Take a close look around the wheel wells. Go down along those rockers again. Protective coating, keep it from rock chipping. Cab corners. Looking good on this side also. Above the wheel wells, front and behind, there's one little spot. If you can kind of see it, it's almost just kind of like a little bit of a flat spot in the paint there, but it's not really a ding, nick, or scratch. And yes, of course, the interior as nice as the exterior. First of all, door panels, really not worn, soiled, and same for the cloth interior. Look at how nicely this is worn, taken care of. Really shows. So bucket seat, Center console, flip down armrest, tilt cruise, power windows, power locks, mirrors, AM FM cassette CD player, of course tilt and cruise. Headliner's looking good. Tell the truck was stored indoors. Take a look at the top of the dash. Not weather checked, sun baked, anything like that. Passenger seat and rear seats just as good a shape as the driver's seat. Again, you can see that in the still pictures. Let's go ahead and start this up. So you can hear it running. We'll check out the engine bay also. There's your exact miles. 111,819. Close the door a second here. And as you can see, no check engine lights. Gauge is all working. Of course, wipers. Power up the stereo. Transfer switch. We say transfer lever. Slip around to the back. Sounds like you'd expect out of that 5.7 Vortec. Good sounding truck. Alright, I'm going to pause this. Let me get that tailgate open. We'll check out the bed of it. We'll take a peek underneath the hood here too.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There you go. Wow. Take a look at this engine bay. We talk about clean, really free of road grime, corrosion. Let's look at it. Got the new alternator. You don't see it much cleaner than that. Definitely tell this truck was well taken care of, no doubt about that. And we'll slip around to the back. Show you the bed of this truck. GM Duraliner bed liner in it. In that Lear fiberglass topper. Looks good back there too. Look at how clean that is. Looks like a farmer's Sunday truck. 1995 Chevrolet Silverado. Half-ton extended cab 4x4. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.